Let's do a freezer tour. Let me show you the contents of my entire freezer. As you can see, I have a drawer system for my freezer. I have 3 drawers, so top, bottom, and middle. This is the top drawer. Shoutout sa mga top. Charot. I think ito talaga yung parang most opened drawer ko sa freezer kasi ayan siya, mga chicken. I also have some Wagyu cubes, some beef like tapa, some thinly sliced pork. If you've been watching my videos, nandito yung mga cooked food ko na naka-meal prep na. This is sushi bake. This is also my favorite. I also have some ampalaya. Sa drawer number 2, I keep fruits, vegetables, ice. So as you can see, I have my onions here na naka-meal prep na. I also have my garlic. I have some frozen vegetables. So I have corn, I have mixed fruit, and kung may natitira akong mga pineapples, nilalagay ko rin dito. May mga random items din ako dito, like instant yeast. And pag meron akong mga cubes that need to be flash frozen, dito ko sa second drawer ilalagay. I also keep my ice here for my drinks. This is pork stock, and this is chicken stock. Drawer number 3 is for convenience food, mainly processed food na yung ilalagay ko dito. Ang dami kong Magnum. Alisin ko muna sila just so that you can see the other contents. And yes, I eat Magnum all the time. Tapos, other convenient food to have, I have some chicken nuggets. Actually, I have a lot. So, I have chicken nuggets, I have chicken popcorn. I also have some longanisas, tocino, and I also like freezing cheese kasi hindi ko siya ganun kadalas magamit itong mga Parmesan cheese or mozzarella. Hindi ako magpapaka-plastic sa inyo. Ganito na lang yung itsura ng mozzarella cheese ko. It used to be like a super big bag. Meron din akong tomato sauce and meron din akong crab sticks. My convenience drawer is the smallest drawer in my freezer, mainly because I try to limit consuming like ultra-processed food. They're still super delicious and super convenient whenever I'm tired, pero I still have a lot of cooked food naman. Pero for whenever I'm tired and wala talaga akong maisip kainin, the convenience drawer works for me. I have a pack of hot dogs here. It's good to have whenever I'm craving hot dogs. And last item sa convenience drawer ko, I have like my Ninja Creamy. I can only put one kasi wala talaga siyang space. This is frozen yogurt. So whenever I'm craving frozen yogurt, ilalagay ko lang siya sa Ninja Creamy ko and I have frozen yogurt. Yeah, so those are the contents of my freezer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, this is not like the most ideal setup or the most perfect way to organize your freezer, pero this is what works for me. This is what makes me comfortable to cook, to eat healthy, and to survive as a person who lives alone. Pero if you have suggestions as to how to make this better, let me know. I'm really open to suggestions and I'm curious to know how you organize things in your freezer.